This is artist. This is baker. This is butcher. This is builder. This is cook. This is cheap. This is constructor. This is carpenter. This is doctor. This is dentist. This is electrician. This is engineer. This is farmer. This is fisher. This is journalist. This is nurse. This is pilot. This is soldier. This is tailor. This is waiter. This is sailor. This is potter. This is professor. This is student. This is welder. This is plumber. This is scientist. This is director. This is beautician. This is cashier. This is reporter. This is teacher. This is fireman.